Hey there, I'm Jeff Weaver, Vice President of Sales at Paycor. This is my wife Jennifer, and we are getting ready to go blueboarding in Las Vegas, Nevada. You ready to do this?
Ready? Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's go. All right, we just arrived at the hotel, and we're going to see what Blueboard has arranged for us. Not too bad. We just finished watching YouTube perform live at the Sphere. It was amazing, immersive, incredible. I can't describe it. You gotta come. Thank you, Blueboard. We're having a great time in Las Vegas. Well, sadly, our blueboarding experience has come to an end, and it's time to head home. But it was an absolutely amazing experience, one we hope to do again real soon.
Thanks, Blueboard.